Back in the shop. Back on building benches. This is a 3-foot long bench, 11-inch deep, and 16-inch tall. This is bench number 16 I built for the same customer. So he's really knocking it out of the park with the benches. So what I do here on the back of these, underneath this pocket hole, they're all pocket holes screwed together. These are all 2x6s cut to length. You got the V cut in the bottom. The design is how all of his benches that I built for him are the same cut. Got the little beveled ends. They're all the same also to match the other benches. And then also it's going to have a green top, white stand, and a white cross member I got to cut with a 2x4. The 2x4 is the only 2x4 I use in this project. These are all 2x6s. Cut the size, and I'm fixing to get ready to cut the cross member now. I've plugged up the holes where the pocket hole screws go. And after that caulk dries, I'll prime it with the white primer. Then I'll paint the stand white. I'll paint the top green, and probably like 3 coats of each. And then the bench will be done. I've got 2 of these to build, which will end up being number 16, total 16 benches. And then another little table for them. But I'm fixing to get ready to measure the cross beam now and get ready to cut it. Work with these pocket hole screws, which I like to do. Pocket hole screw. These are legs I put on the table right here. So what I'm gonna do, got the holes already pre-drilled with the pocket hole jig, and I'm gonna go try to measure these about where they'll be exactly equal on both sides. I'm gonna get my pencil. I'm gonna mark the line where it's at in case it slips while I'm screwing it in there. Take my pocket hole screw. I'm gonna go right into the side with it. All right, hold that steady there. Going with the next one, do the same thing. These pocket holes, they're pretty strong. So they hold it pretty good, but what I'm still gonna do is I'm gonna go in from the top, and we'll drill from the top in with a 1.5 or 2 inch screw, probably 2 inch probably, and of course I'll putty the holes that I cut in, that I sink in the screw with. Just gives it a little bit of stability, because even though these screws are pretty strong with pocket holes, I still like to put the screws through the top just more because these are going to be set on. So I don't want the person to sit on them and take a chance of it wobbling or anything. Then I'll run the cross member across the bottom of this like I did the other one.